The Statue of Unity, a colossal marvel nestled on the banks of the Narmada River, is a testament to the unwavering spirit of India. At a soaring height of 182 meters, it stands as the world's tallest statue, but its significance goes far beyond its imposing physical presence. This remarkable monument pays tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, whose tireless efforts led to the unification of over 562 princely states into the Republic of India. It serves as a towering reminder of his visionary leadership and the sacrifices he made to shape a diverse nation into a singular, harmonious entity. The Statue of Unity is more than just an engineering marvel. It's a symbol of national pride, unity, and inclusivity. Its size is a reflection of the monumental challenges Patel faced during the post-independence period. It represents the towering ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity enshrined in the Indian Constitution. As visitors stand in awe of this grandiose statue, they are not merely witnessing a feat of engineering but are connecting with a profound historical legacy. It symbolizes the idea that no obstacle is insurmountable, no division too great when a nation unites with a common purpose. The Statue of Unity beckons people from around the globe, inviting them to marvel at its grandeur and reflect on the power of unity. It stands as an enduring tribute to Sardar Patel's vision and the enduring spirit of India, a nation that rises above differences, bound together by the threads of diversity and the values of democracy. In its colossal shadow, the Statue of Unity inspires, reminding us that unity is a cornerstone of any nation's strength. For more such content, do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.